today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle summer deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring. I have some 6-inch wide multicolored deco mesh, scissors and a rotary cutter, and chenille stems. Alright, let's get started. So I've cut my stems into thirds, and I have several videos showing you all of the different methods you can use to attach your stems to the wreath ring. I will link those in the description box down below. This specific method, I'm going to take a third of a stem and attach it to the outer, inner, outer, inner, outer, inner, alternating all the way around the wreath. Sometimes I take half of a stem and attach it to the outer two, inner two, outer two, inner two, and so forth and so on. So whatever you prefer. Just going to get this one attached on the outer stem. So outer, inner, outer. And instead of going outer, inner, outer again, I'm going to go outer, inner, outer, inner, outer, inner, outer, inner, and just continue on like that. Alright, so I have all of my stems in place. And I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. Again, there are several ways to attach your mesh. Sometimes I layer them one on top of the other, just like that. And sometimes I kind of alternate and overlap them halfway, like this. And I'll go left, right, left, kind of like so. And sometimes I would even place the third one in the center, like that. This time I'm just going to overlap them left, right, and then right, left, right. And then I'm going to scrunch it in the center. Pick a stem. I'm going to start with the outer stem. Place my mesh and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. The more mesh you get placed, the more stable it will become because it kind of moves around right now. But don't worry, just overlapping halfway. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Go to the next stem, which is my inner stem. Twist it and tuck it away. I'm going to do one more bundle just so you can see what the entire section looks like. Alright, so this is what one section looks like. It is still a little flat. Once I get all of my bundles in place, then I'll kind of flare it out and separate the layers and fluff it up a little bit more. 3 bundles in each section. Sometimes I would push it over and add in another bundle. You can do that. You can add 5 or 6 bundles in each section if you choose to do so. Whatever you prefer. It just depends on how poofy and fluffy you want your wreath to be. Alright, I'm going to get a few more bundles placed and show you what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like so far. Let's keep going. Alright, so I have all of the bundles in place. Now I'm just going to fluff up and flare out my mesh. I have 3 bundles in each section, 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. You can add in more mesh to each bundle. You can add more bundles to each section, whatever you prefer. And once you finish the wreath, you can even go back and add bundles afterwards. Possibilities are endless. So I'm just fluffing it all out. Like I said, if you want it fluffier and poofier or thicker, just add in more bundles to each section. So you can always just push it aside and add in more mesh. All right, and then you can have fun with it. You can add in some cute little styrofoam fruit, or you can add in ribbon or bows, or an adorable little summer sign to the center, a cute bow to finish it off at the top or the bottom, or a couple of smaller bows, whatever you prefer. The possibilities are endless. Or you can leave it just like this. I've done it multiple ways. Sometimes I like to leave it with only the mesh because I think it looks so cute and adorable by itself. But sometimes I like to add a little extra embellishment to it with like a sign or some extra decor. Whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style to fit your theme.